Hello, here is the smaller version of the same book. And again, I need to do a third version that will include some of the work I didn't get included. Some things were kind of left out, but most of it is in here. It's over 115 pages. This is the Amazon version that's $19.99. And so I could just preview this and show you a couple more pages. Of the book, and I appreciate everyone's participation. Just give you a little preview of the lovely artwork. And again, I will send you a link. And if you wouldn't mind sharing a link on your website to buy the book, and for search engine optimization, SEO, that'd be wonderful too. If you would like to have a link to my book on your website or any of your social media, that would be lovely. So I just want to give you this heads up that the book is already for sale, like I said, on Barnes & Noble and Amazon, and it is for sale in India and different countries already, so that's kind of exciting too. So that's kind of, if you look at the title, if you Google the title, Let's Move to Hawaii, Bruno's Big Adventure, it will populate that it shows that it's for sale all over the world, and in India and in England. And it's a fun project. I hope that you enjoyed being part of it, and I really appreciate everyone's participation. And I plan to do, hopefully, another version that will include some of the things that were left out, unfortunately. Please forgive me. And that hard copy version, a hardcover copy version, will be for sale in the near future. And I plan to include some artists that were, unfortunately, I didn't have time to include. But if you have any more artwork you'd like to have submitted to put in the new book, I will allow time for that as well. Just give me a jingle or email me at jjpoodles@gmail.com. And have a wonderful, blessed day, and I will talk to you when you need to. All right, bye.